Hey guys, this is Robert and we have a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This is an oil spill mat, absorbs leaks and spills, contains liquids, no soak through, protects garage, floor surfaces. It's 29 inches by 36, reusable, easy to clean, protects surface from, And to clean it, all you do is apply soap, hose, or water, or power wash off. Hang to dry. Do not bleach. It's absorbent fabric, waterproof backing, slip resistant, easy to clean, recycled material. The fiber is made of 50% recycled plastic bottles. Alright, and again, the warning, the bag, keep away from kids. You don't want them to suffocate. So inside the bag, we just have the mat here. Put it down to just one layer. Right. Now let's test it. I have some water here. Right, absorbed it. And then if I fold it up here, there's nothing through. I can feel the code, but I can't. The water's not leaking through, so that's good. It does work. And if you are interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.